Today I'm showing a chill and filling cream product that we have available. It is it has starch, and all you do is add sugar, the base, and water. It's about 12 to 14% usage, and you put it in a steam kettle like so, and then you take a wire whip, just kind of incorporate that really well. And what this does, this sets up within about a minute or two. Get the steam going really well on it. The consistency of the filling has gotten very thick now. And what you want to do, if you're making coconut pie filling, just add your coconut and fold it in and incorporate it like so. And then you want to turn your steam off. Then you add just a little bit of shortening. To give the filling a little richness. This is the finished product. It is a chill and filling cream. You just put about 18 ounces per shell. You're going to just have enough filling in the pie shell to cover to the edge of it. After this step, you just set them on a sheet pan and put them in the refrigerator for about an hour, and it sets up really nicely. These are just two of the varieties that you can make with our chill and filling cream pie mix. This is a chocolate cream pie, and this is a coconut cream pie. I'm going to demonstrate the internal finished product. You have a nice creamy filling that will dissolve and melt in your mouth, and it's very tasty.